There's an old saying, whatever hit you couldn't have missed you. And that is certainly the case for when it comes to chronic pain. Now, for those of you that are listening to this now and currently are suffering with chronic pain, my heart goes out to you. As someone that spent probably the first part of my adulthood in tremendous debilitating pain, this might initially not feel comfortable. It may not be easy hearing this, as it probably wasn't for me when I was sitting in your shoes in the rapture of just, am I going to make it till tomorrow? But what I want to show you in this video is that your pain is actually a profound message. If you will, a profound teacher that can allow you to not only find resources within yourself, but give you the actual catalyst to help you heal and change your life if you allow it to. I want to share with you in this video how you can do that. How you can, through the power of your focus, through the power of just some simple perspective changes, can help you realize that this might actually be the incredible transformation you've actually been longing for. So, as I've said, I had to go through my own healing journey, and it wasn't pretty. I was that person that went to the doctor, received the medication, received the treatment, signed up for the protocol, did the alternative therapy, spent tens of thousands of dollars in fusion therapy, and at the end of it, not much had changed. I was so desperate and so hungry to change my inner reality of pain, of suffering, that I went far and wide and spent pretty much most, if not all, my savings to get out of that state. But little did I know, all I had to do was actually shift my focus, shift my awareness, change my perspective and my language to be right here. So again, whatever hit you couldn't have missed you. This is your moment, if you choose to accept it, that'll allow you to have profound change, profound transformation in your life. The first place you have to come to is a self-acceptance of where you are. You're not over there where you want to be, and at the same time, maybe you're not as bad in a situation as your mind keeps telling you. Yes, you may be in pain. Yes, you might have symptoms that have been very difficult to deal with. But you're here. And as long as you're here, you have the power still. You have the ability to bring your attention to the pain. Now, I know that might sound a little bit crazy for some of you. For a lot of us, we've been taught throughout our whole life to avoid pain, to suppress pain, to take whatever you can to never feel that pain again. That is not the trajectory I'm offering you here. And I know for a lot of you, you've already done that. I certainly did. I exhausted every avenue I could until I couldn't. So in that place, I had to look deep within. And what I found was that if I could settle myself down, if I could calm my day a little bit, come to a place like I am now, this beautiful river, be in nature, I could put aside my worries. I could put aside my anxieties and fears that I had about what was happening to me and where I might go, and just come to right here. Once I was able to do that, immediately my nervous system could release a little bit. And then I had the most powerful thing you have, your attention. It's no longer distracted by the ranting thoughts about what could happen or what should happen or why this is happening to you. All that just quieted down. And then it was like the glow light in my heart and my attention was available. So then what did I do? I began playing with that, and I began bringing that to the exact place of pain. Now, for me, I suffered with fibromyalgia. I suffered from seizures, a lot of neurological pain, a lot of nervous system pain. But I first went with the fibromyalgia, and I started to allow myself to explore what it would feel like to stop placing all these judgments and ideas on the pain. And if I could just simply be with the pain, maybe something might change. And you know what? That's exactly what happened. The moment I placed my attention on my difficult, achy joints and body, my bones feeling like they were just gonna snap in half in pain, all of a sudden, just by bringing my attention into that, objectively, remember, then I started to feel things release a little bit. A little bit. Then, as my stress levels came back, the thoughts came back, the pain came back. But that little bit was enough for me to start investigating this relationship deeper. And so, as I've mentioned in other videos, what I started to do was actually formally start a practice of Wuji Standing. It comes from Qigong. It is the foundational practice in a lot of Qigong systems. But essentially, it just helps you draw your attention in to the spaces in your body. And when you have pain, that's real easy. You can just go right into those places, and that's what I did. And yes, it was somewhat of the posture, holding my body in that erect position be as still for as long as I could. But more importantly, what I was doing was I was making space for myself so I could bring my precious attention, that quality of attention, inside. And that is the secret. The more you can allow yourself to have that pure moment of attention where it's not distracted by your day, not distracted by the thoughts or the emotions you have about what's happening to you, but you just have that pure quality of attention and you allow that to soak into your body, miracles will happen for you. This is what I did, and this is what I suggest to you all. This is a profound time in history where we have the ability, we have the power to know how to take our attention, our consciousness, and have it to be a very potent medicine to change some of the most difficult things. My condition, like it might be for you or is for you, was claimed incurable. Most doctors turned me away. They said, you're going to have to live with this the rest of your life. Couldn't be further from the truth. I am here as an example with you to show you you can do this, you can heal. And I have helped thousands of people over the last 2 decades do this also. So my suggestion is stay tuned here on the channel, subscribe, hit that like button. I'd love to hear your comments below. If you're needing more support for this, highly recommend, we have a few spots available for this fall semester in my healing mentorship program, Be Love Heal. Make sure you look at the description below. There'll be plenty of options for you to explore, ways you could work with me if you choose so. But if not, grab all the free videos you can here on YouTube to support you. That is my sincere hope for you. And why I do this on YouTube is so those of you that are crying out with the suffering, like I was, there wasn't YouTube when I was suffering, but now there is. And so people like myself, I want to give back to you, to help you, so your day will have a little bit less suffering, a little less pain, give you a little more hope. Thanks so much for tuning in. Take care, everyone. Have a blessed rest of your day. And make sure you check out this video right here. This one will continue to support you through the breath work. Take care, everyone.